Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. In today's video, I just want to show you how to spot opportunities in the market, and sometimes you need to trade pairs that you have never tried before. And today I want to give you a chance to look at NSD-CHF. You have never traded this pair. Look at it this week. It may have an opportunity for you guys. So put NSD-CHF in your watch list, and maybe we'll have a good opportunity to trade this pair. So the first thing you do, of course, I go to my daily time frame because I want to see what is happening. I want to see the clear picture. And at our daily time frame, we can see that the market has been trending down for quite a while. So you can see the market has been dropping down, and the market overall was dropping since last year February. So the market has been dropping, and then when it reached a point, we see buyers came in, tried to push the market up, making high highs and high lows, but eventually we have seen the market giving us this big drop. So what happens in the market when it has broken a key zone? Sometimes there's a very good opportunity to trade the market. So let's first identify our key zone, and then after we identify our key zone, we'll be able to know where we are headed to. So the first thing that we do is to identify our key zone. So we have identified our key zone, and of course we'll identify the other key zone. So it's like the market was on a channel for a very long time, since that December. So it has been on a channel for 2 good months, and we saw on Friday sellers breaking this channel. But most of the cases is that when a channel is broken, two things can happen. It can be a fake breakout and the market continue going upward, or it can be a true breakout. So we can trade NSD-CHF in this way. It's either the market come and retest. Let me show you. It's either the market come and retest here, and then we have that big drop. That is one opportunity. Or it's either the market gives us a fake breakout, coming in and not retesting and continue going upward, breaking this zone. There's so many chances of that market doing that. So we need to look for we need to look for different things if we want to trade NSD-CHF. First of all, if you want to have a buy opportunity on NSD-CHF, you need to know what promotes NSD pairs to be strong. So do research and comment down below, and let us know what makes NSD pairs be strong. Like, what makes that currency strong enough that will give us a buy opportunity. And if it is looking for this sell continuation, what is making the CHF more strong than the NSD? So sometimes fundamentals can help us in this case. If you don't know what fundamentals are, these are the news that affects the pairs. So if something that is affecting NSD at the moment, the market is likely to continue selling. If the market affects CHF in any way, the NSD will regain power, and as it will be seen coming to retest, it may come and break this area. So we have these two zones. We need to look for two things. First of all, I need to put my 200 EMA. I want to put my 200 EMA and see if we have a buy position. This is where the market will reach, that we are sure of. If the market can come, it can start going up. If you have an upward trend, the market, we can be comfortable to buy that market up to that zone. And then after that, we don't enter any more buyers, because it may be all this time the market wanted to retest the 200 EMA, because it's clearly the 200 EMA was never retested. So that can be one. So if we will see a big momentum move to the upward, we mark the area that we think until this time, until this place, we cannot even if the buy comes with big momentum, there's a zone here that the market can be stopped. The other thing that I think the market can go upward even if it has broken the zone is if I put the 20 MA, the pair we can see some break of the 20 MA. And what I do on my strategy, once 20 MA is broken, it doesn't matter how long it will take, but it will eventually go to 50 MA. So if I put 50 MA, you can see the market is likely to come back to this zone. So even if you're looking for sales opportunity, of course, you cannot come to sell at here because you have seen this big drop. Wait the market to come, touch the 50 MA. If at all it will react to the 50 MA, now look for your sell going downwards. So that is another way you can approach that market. So the 50 MA is there for us to know if the market starts coming up. You may think it will retest this zone, we can call it zone A, but it gets in deep. Maybe it wants to test the zone, the 50 MA, for it to accomplish what it did. When the price breaks 20 MA, it always comes to 50. So our first target, if you enter a buy, where is your first target? Your first target will be at 50 EMA. So this is your take profit. So if at all we'll get from daily a good indication that this market is supposed to come up and you want to have a short term buy, you can target up to 50 MA, and that's 142 pips. That's a lot of pips. That is one. The other thing, if at all it breaks the 50 MA, if the candle comes here, the price break and close above the 50 MA, now it will come to the 200 MA. So the minute it does that, it will come here. So the two position, this is take profit 1, this take profit 2. Let's say the market come to this zone. Let's say the market just come here and then we start seeing some reaction. Just close the trade and wait for a clear movement, because you don't know why the price just stops. It doesn't stop like that. So at this moment the zone is broken. Yes, it is broken, but everyone can see the zone is broken, so everyone is waiting for retest, and some people have already got into sell because they have seen this big momentum. But guys, the market, you should be patient. This market, it needs a lot of patience. So what I can tell you is that you can try to identify the 20 MA on the daily and the 50 MA on the daily. So the 50 MA, I'll put it black. The 50 MA, I'll put it black so that you can know it's the 50 MA from daily, and the 20 it will remain red. Then switch to your 4 hours. When we come to our 4 hours, this is what we see. The market can approach from 4 hours comfortably to a 20 MA here. When the market starts some rejection, close the trade, because this should be your first TP. The red line from the daily, it should be your first TP. So if the market comes and react here, close the trade. The second TP is the 50 MA from the daily here, and the last TP is the 200 MA here. So if the market approached up to 63.78, if the market this week comes all the way to 63.78, that's when I'll be looking for a sell. That's when I'll be looking for a sell. There's no way I can sell here. This market I cannot sell from here because that's on a zone, and we don't sell on a zone because the price is not as good as we would want. So we cannot sell at the zone. So if the market comes here, I'll be looking for sales opportunity. But at the moment, I'm just looking for buys opportunity, and I have identified my TPs. My TP1 is at 62.20, TP2 is at 62.80, TP3 is at 63.78. So you have that. So you can watch this trade, you can watch the NSD-CHF, and let's see what it happens. So let's see what happens when the market roll out, because all we need to see at this moment, let me show you how you enter the trade. Yes, we were thinking we will have a momentum candle to give us an indication buyers are in control, but we can see buyers are reaching the market at that zone. So mark your zone there. If you have the trade, if you are watching this video and this line already, the market has broken 61.44, the market is approaching 61.70. 20 MA on 4 hour. So if it has broken this, already we have a buy opportunity and we are on profit. So if it has not broken this, or you can have a chance to enter that trade. And then mark this zone. This zone is 4. If this is first attempt, so in the market we need 3 attempts. So if it comes here first attempt and then goes down second attempt and then now the third one, be assured the third attempt can even hit TP3. But if it start approaching with the first attempt, the take profit, it can't just go to take profit 3. Start targeting 20 MA, 50 MA, 200 MA on 4 hour. If it just do first attempt. I hope you understand. So guys, I hope NSD-CHF, it will be of help in your this week. I hope you'll get opportunity, and if you do, come back to this video and comment and say you traded NSD-CHF and how much you got. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye. Oh, something else I've not said. What if it breaks this zone? What if it breaks this zone? Maybe the market will not approach. This is where we are targeting. Let me show you where we target that sell. If that zone is broken, let me show you quickly. If it breaks that zone, you just do your chart like that and create put a trend line, because from that direction. So if that zone is broken, that's what we are looking at. That's where the market is going. So don't be biased, don't be on one side, follow the price action. And you say when you follow the price action, the market won't lie, because if that zone is broken, the price is coming to 59.45. So you must be prepared. If this zone is broken, the price is coming to all the way to 59. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.